Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Meghna Manjrekar hauls and reviews. Now first of all, let me thank you each and everyone who has commented on my community post and who has wished for my well-being, and because I still am not recovered fully from fever. I am still suffering little bit, but of course 80% recovered, little bit is still left. So thank you so much to all of you. Right now, today, from the thumbnail and from the title itself, you all must have got a little bit of idea that I am going to compare basically two products. They are one is from Swiss Beauty. It is their real makeup base highlighting primer, and the other one is Sugar. It is their bling leader illuminating moisturizer. Because actually one of my subscriber, Miss Jumaina Ahmed, she has actually told me to compare these products, and she was actually confused which one to buy and all. So she told me to compare this product in one video, and since I have both the products in the same shade, that is in the golden shades, so I thought of why not to do the same. And I told her that of course I will make a video on this one separately. And let me just brief you about the makeup details, because I get lot of questions and sometimes I forget what I had worn in that particular video. So if you are wondering which nail polish I am having, then the individual video for this is already up. I'll link that video up in the I button as well as in the description box. You can go ahead and you can check. It is from this NY Bay. It is their Big Apple Cookies collection. I have swatched all, I think 8 shades in that 8 shades if I'm not wrong. Yeah, 8 shades in that video. It is like one stroke and 2 stroke. I have swatched all the shades on my hand, that is on my nails. So definitely you can watch that video. And the shade which I have right now is 01. I'll tell you the name. It is Ruby Chocolate. It is this shade 01 Ruby Chocolate. It is this nail polish. Okay, and if you are wondering which lipstick I'm having on my lipstick, then it is from NYX. It is their Smudge Me, no, I forgot, Soft Matte Lip Cream. I'm so sorry, because still I'm not 100% well, so my presence of mind is not here 100%. I am little bit tired, that is why. It is their Soft Matte Lip Cream in the shade Budapest. Yeah, this is the lip color which I'm having on my lips. Okay, so these are the two details which I wanted to tell you. Now I'll just brief you about both this particular products. This is actually a highlighting primer and this is illuminating moisturizer. Definitely we cannot compare this because both the products basic function is totally different. This you can use it as a moisturizer, but if at all you will use this as a moisturizer, then definitely you will end up looking a chunky disco ball, because this is having little bit more sheen particles than compared to this. Okay, now we'll just first talk about the outer covering and everything. Both this particular products, that is Swiss Beauty one as well as the Sugar one, both comes in this kind of cardboard packaging. Okay, you all can see this is the Swiss Beauty and this is the Sugar one. Okay, these are the outer covering, and like when you open, Sugar one comes in a squeezy tube like this. Okay, Sugar one comes in squeezy tube like this, whereas if you open the box of Swiss Beauty, it is having kind of a cardboard, you can see cardboard packaging inside their box, so that because this is a glass bottle, this is a squeezy tube, this is a glass bottle, there is the biggest difference. Alright, and this is the Swiss Beauty one. You all can see, I'm not sure because I have golden tint, the shade golden tint, that is why the cap is golden. I'm not sure because I have not checked the other two shades, so I cannot comment on that. But the shade which I have is 02 golden tint. In this I have the golden cap. Okay, you have to open the cap and it is proper tight, and it comes with a pump. You all can see this is the pump. So this is basically the outer and the inner packaging of both the products. When you compare the quantity, if I happen to see on the desk, then don't worry because I have all the points noted on my diary. So that is why I am looking at my desk. This one comes for 30 ml and I'm so sorry, Swiss Beauty one comes for 30 ml, whereas the Sugar one comes for 25 ml. Right, this is the quantity difference. Now when we talk about where it is manufactured, that is made, this is also made in PRC and even this is made in PRC. I do have to like let you all know that if you all are a person who do not want to go ahead and buy the products which is purchased in China or maybe in any other country, if you have something like that mindset, then definitely both these products are manufactured in PRC. It is clearly mentioned on their outer packaging that these are manufactured in PRC. So keep in mind that. Okay, the shelf life of both the products is 3 years. So I don't think there is any issue with that. Now the main part is the cost. That is the retail price. The maximum retail price for this is 345. That is Swiss Beauty one is 349 rupees, whereas the MRP of the sugar one is 499 rupees. Definitely the Swiss Beauty one you can get it on Amazon. When I purchased, I think I purchased at 297 or 260, I'm not sure. I have purchased from Amazon. So like on Amazon you can get it on discount, but I have seen most of the times sugar products hardly goes on 10% discount. But on the Sugar's website directly, if you go and check, sometimes they have offer buy 3 products for 1299. So if you calculate, each product will be for 433 rupees, but still you will not save much. That is what my main point is. This is 499, so 433, so maybe 66 rupees, or else if you calculate 10% off also, still 499, 50 rupees off. So that is main, the price factor is important. Okay, now we talk about the shade range. The Swiss Beauty one also comes in 3 shades. That is, first one is natural, I'm not sure number which. The second one which I am having is golden tint, because I'm sure this is 2 golden tint because I have it. Okay, and the third one is pink tint. I'm not sure the pink one is first or the natural one is first, I'm not sure, but total 3 shades. Whereas in sugar you have 3 shades. First is 01 Gold Digging, it is this. The second one is pink one, I'm not sure of the full name, but I'll give you the buying link and everything in the description box, so don't worry, you can go ahead and you can buy it. I'm so sorry, it will not be in description box, it will be in the comment section, it will be pinned, I always forget. Okay, the second one is in pink tint and the third one is in peach shade. In this you don't get any natural shade, but in this you do get a natural. So if you are a person who is having some kind of oily skin or maybe combination skin and you do not want to go for some golden or maybe some pink tint, then definitely you can go for a natural tint. In this Swiss Beauty one you do get natural tint, whereas in this you do not get. Now what I'll do is, I'll just on my left I will go for Swiss Beauty one, that is over here I'll apply Swiss Beauty one, and over here, that is the hand swatch, over here I'll apply the sugar one, so that you will have an idea how it looks. I'll just take a little bit because a little bit goes a long way. Don't apply much, otherwise you'll, as I told you, you'll end up looking like a disco ball. Okay, now can you all see anything? No? I'll take a little bit more so that at least you all can see. I have taken not little bit, a lot. So you don't have to take that much, definitely. Otherwise, check my hand, your face will look like that. Now I'm not sure. Now let's see. Can you see? This is basically the, we will compare. Now see, can you check on my hand, on my finger? See, this is what I'm telling you. Now wait, this will catch up the color. See, I'm not sure whether it is capturing or no, but okay, this is, now I'll clean my finger because I don't want any traces of any other. I've almost cleaned my finger. Now I'll take a little bit on this side. See, if you ask me, because when I'm applying on my hand, both the products are ditto. Of course, over here I've taken a lot, but even over here also you all can see. I'll just show you side by side. Can you all see now? Right, this is what the thing I wanted to tell you. If you will take it more, you will look like a disco ball. Now the thing is, you have to work properly, you have to take in proper amount, right? So whether it can be Swiss Beauty one or it can be Sugar one, this is actually illuminating moisturizer. So if at all you go overboard with this product, I don't think there will be a problem, but with this you have to be very careful. This doesn't, by saying this, I don't say that Swiss Beauty one is of not good quality, you should go for only Sugar one. No, I'm not telling you that, but as per my knowledge and as per, because over here I have applied a lot to show you all, and over here I have not applied that much. If I'll apply that quantity over here also, then too this hand also will look like this also, this like this hand will look like this. So definitely keep in mind whenever you are working, and they say this is highlighting primer, so it means wherever you have your highest points, there only you have to apply, and rest all you just have to like first apply that and then you just have to spread little bit, right? Whereas this is illuminating moisturizer, so that also point matters. So these are the basically 2-3 points which I wanted to tell you. Now if you ask me what is my suggestion, if at all you have budget constraint, if at all you have like over here also, yeah, I forgot to tell you, now on my face also you all can see, on my left this is Swiss Beauty one. I'm not sure whether you all can make out or no, because if you see on camera or else if you see in person also, both the sides, see you all can see this side also, both the sides look pretty dang similar. So that is what, if you have some budget constraint, if you have like if you don't want to go for 499 rupees and you want to go for Swiss Beauty one, because in Swiss Beauty one you get 5 ml extra, and also the price is MRP is 349, but in discounts you will get around at between 275 to 300 rupees you can get this, whereas this one you will get above 400. So if you are someone who is having budget constraint and looking out for some good but affordable and better quality, definitely you can go for Swiss Beauty one. And if you have like there is no problem of budget and you want to splurge, and of course by taking Sugar one I am not saying you are splurging, but then this is little bit compared to this is little bit costly, and in this you get 5 ml less, whereas 30 ml 25 ml. So that is what I just wanted to tell you. Now I think I have shown you the hand swatch, I have shown you the application also. Now we'll just move towards the demo and we will check, right? Yes, now I am back. I have just applied my moisturizer, that is normal Lakme Peach Milk Moisturizer. Right now what I will do is I will apply Swiss Beauty one on my left half and the Sugar one on my right side, right? So I'll be applying, of course, because this is a like priming moisturizer and something, so definitely I'll apply with my hands only. So I will be just taking out first the Swiss Beauty one. I will just take out a little bit and apply it on my left side. I'm not taking much, I'm just taking a pinch, a little bit, and I'll just, because this is real makeup base and highlighting kind of, so I will apply wherever I want a highlighting effect, not actually on the full face, because this I'll just show you. I have just applied the Swiss Beauty one. Can you all see? This is Swiss Beauty one and here it is nothing. So now on my right I will be applying the Sugar one. So I'll just close this and keep it aside. I'm just cleaning my hands so that now the hands are clean. Now this is the Sugar one. This is actually illuminating moisturizer, so I think I can directly I'll just take Yes, now I have applied the sugar one also. Now I am not sure whether the camera will do the justice. You all can see this is the Swiss Beauty one. This is the Swiss Beauty one. Okay, and this is the sugar one. Okay, so now what I'll do is I'll just go off the camera, I'll apply my normal regular makeup and I'll come back and I'll tell you what are my final thoughts. I'll just come back. Yeah, actually in the starting of the video I already said that I have applied this on this side and this on this side because I have filmed the demo part first and then I have filmed the pre video, that is pre and then post, right? So I think you are getting what I want to say. So in short, I just would like to tell you, if you want to go for Swiss Beauty one, both are, for me, they both are identical. They function as similar, they work pretty similar, they give me the same effect. Only this is moisturizer and this is highlighting primer, so that thing you have to keep in mind. I'm again and again telling you because I will definitely get a lot of comments that how can you compare a highlighting primer with a moisturizer. But I got a request and that is why I am doing it. Alright, and if at all you feel that I have messed up little bit in the video, or I have repeated something in the video, or maybe I have made some mistake in the video, then I'm extremely sorry for it, because I'm not doing it purposely. I am not well, but I want to keep on rolling. I want to get the work done. That is why I am filming it, I am shooting it, and if at all any mistake, please forgive me. And even I'm a learner like you all, but whatever knowledge I have, whatever knowledge I gather, I would like to share it with you all. Right now I think I have covered each and every point, but still if you have any other query or any other questions related to this products, you can definitely let me know in the comment section, or else I'll give you my Instagram handle also over here. You can DM me on Instagram also. And if at all you have any other video suggestions in your mind which you want me to make a video on, that also you can let me know in the comment section. I'll try to fulfill your request as soon as possible. Also, if at all you feel my makeup, as I told you, is not proper, it's not on point, then again I'm saying you, this is the third time I'm saying sorry. Again I'm saying sorry to all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.